Yeah, everybody, this is DJ Boom Boom. I know this video is not the type of video I usually upload, but I got some, bad news. Chuck Norris, the legendary, the myth there, Dan Dada, passed away. We grow up and watching his movies, and we're gonna miss him dearly. So please comment below. Please let us know what you think, how you feel. I know in Jamaica we grow up watching a lot of Chuck Norris video, man, and Jackie Chan and Bruce Lee and Clint Eastwood. So one of the legend is gone. So just say some words. Let us know what you think. I know this is a DJ channel, but the legend is gone, and we feel deeply touched. So I hope everything is well with his family and friends. Peace, love.